Welcome back to the Tannerites!
Oh yay, everybody has their pajamas on. You know what that means?
We can play hide and seek?
It's time for hide and seek. Here, let's lay out the rules really quick, okay? Mommy went to a meeting, which is why we're playing hide and go seek, right? So here we go. We're gonna play it outside, and it's dark, and the rules are, do not go in the trailer because there are nails. So that's one rule.
Don't go by the trailer.
You cannot go outside of the gates.
Okay.
And don't go between the bug and the truck. So don't go behind anywhere though, back there. Because it's not broken glass on the ground anymore, but Canyon did cut himself last week on the headlight. Savannah, you are going to find with me.
Sweet.
Everyone else, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. You have 1 minute to hide. Starting from the last person that gets out the door.
Hurry,
You have your special finding glasses on.
I'm turning onto the magic lenses. Now the magic lenses.
Oh, magic lenses. Okay, let's go. Go, go, go. You're the last person out. Okay, ready, set, and the timer starts now. This is 9:43. As soon as that gets to 9:44, we're going out. 9:44. Time's up. Let's go, let's go.
I'm gonna get our shoes just in case we step in through.
Okay, hurry, let's go. Charlie, where are they?
Charlie's happy.
What do you yell? You yell something, don't you?
Here I am. Wait.
Oh, ready or not, here we come.
Ready or not? Here we come.
I think I've heard ollie ollie ox on free too before.
All the outside free.
I better close the door so the dogs don't go in. That could be one spot right there. That could be another one. Let's go, let's go. Okay, look right here. In the bushes, I don't see anybody.
Right here. So this is just Pokey Nation.
Oh, it's really dark back here. Really dark. I'm gonna turn on the light.
Even if they're
I think I know where Danielle is. She's in her car. Nope, she's not in her car.
Oh.
They're not in the dog kennel. No dog kennel. Are they underneath the trampoline? No, Charlie's on the trampoline. Okay, let's look in the shed.
Oh yeah.
I don't see anybody in or around the trailer.
That's good.
Hi! We found Allie and Az. Did you think we were gonna find you first?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
They scared me.
Okay.
Was this last? I saw Allie and I'm like, are we last?
No, you're first. So you guys get to go in the house and wait till it's time to hide again. Okay, so do you want to check any more over here, Savannah, or?
Maybe back here.
There's my project, guys, if you want to know about it all.
I found Lizzie.
Oh, you found someone?
Yeah.
Oh, Lizzie. Good hiding spot, though. I don't see him under the porch. Gigo and Danielle. They're not in the window well.
What if they did go in there?
Okay, let's go this way. Are they under the swing set? No, I don't see them there. Chicken coop, maybe? Nope, I don't see them there. Okay. No? Yes? Are they in there? Are they in the chicken coop?
I don't think Danielle would be able to fit in there, but I kept seeing like eyeballs.
Oh, there's no eyeballs in there. You're crazy.
I am
You're
crazy.
seeing things. Following you. You think they're in those bushes right there?
Yeah.
They're hiding really good.
So that was looking nice.
I don't see them in here. Where? I don't see them in there either. They're not in there. Where are they? This is the end of the yard.
Maybe they broke the rules.
No, I don't think they did. Oh, look who I found. Gigo!
Oh.
Good job.
We were hiding in plain sight, huh?
That was a good hiding spot,
This is a
Figo.
really good hiding spot.
Okay, guess who gets to find now?
Guess we can find. Guess what we can do, Gigo?
Okay, ready, set, let's go. Let's go in the house. All right, here we go. You take this camera, and you and Gigo get to come and find us now. Ready?
Sweet.
Here's the other rule. Everyone has to hide individually, so we can't hide together.
Okay.
Ready? Let's go.
Go.
Last person out the door is when you start counting.
Okay. All right, Gigo, are you ready? Let's go.
Ready or not, here we come.
Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Where should we look first, Gigo? Oh, there's Charlie. Where should we look first?
Right there.
Right where? How about we go look in this bush, maybe? Do you think they're in here? Let's look under the porch. Oh, Gigo, go under there and lift up that pool. There's no one down there? Nobody? What about the chicken coop? I don't think so. I don't think they'd ever dare to crawl in there. Where should we look? I don't see anybody, Kiko. Kiko, what about over there? Run, 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 run. Charlie found it too. That wasn't very good hiding, Lizzie.
Now we have to find more.
Yeah, now we have to find more. Let's go look over by, what about my car? Are they in my car? Daddy would get in my car. There's no room in there. Nope, I don't see them.
Ashley!
Whoa!
How we got under there?
Az is under there. Good job finding him, Gigo.
I'll help you, look.
No, you can't help us. Look, you gotta run inside. Go inside, go inside, go inside.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Gigo. Maybe they'd be hiding behind the tarp. Oh, they are! I was just kidding.
You gave it away, Charlie.
I was just kidding.
I know, Charlie came over right by me. I'm like, I know he's gonna give it away right now.
I was like, oh, I was
By
gonna
the
check.
way, he's been sleeping on his tarp or something because it stinks so bad, Charlie.
Where's somewhere Savannah would hide? What about in the shed?
You found me. Last.
I think she hid pretty well. I don't know if she would hide in here. I mean, this is a lot of bush and less hiding place. Oh my gosh! Gigo, look who I found! Well, your dress kind of matches the grill.
I'm so uncomfortable.
Look who I found, Gigo!
There's so many spiders back there.
Then come out, we found you!
Charlie kept coming up to me. I'm like, go away. And so he would listen and go away.
So it seems that the winner was the person who hid just outside the door.
I feel like I have spiders all over me. I went to like hold on because I like fell and lost my balance. And I went and grabbed it and there was this huge like spider web. I'm like, ah!
Was it a hard spider web, like really thick and hard? Because I went to change the propane bottle earlier and I found, you're gonna hate this, I found a black widow web that I couldn't find the black widow to. And it was underneath, inside, right, pretty much where you were hiding.
I feel like it's all over me now.
She matched with the grill.
And I eating cookies. Goodbye.